My bad. You're way too fast. My bad.
Is that it?
Oh fuck, we left the whole pack. You're way too fast.
Is that it?
What?
Is that it for the ride?
No, we're gonna go past the meetup. There goes.
Right, I'm crazy, right?
Yo, we're going straight.
I'm crazy, right?
Oh, yeah.
It smells like cow shit.
I know. I don't know why it actually smells like we're on a farm.
Yo, your camera's off. Yo, I'm not joking. It's actually on.
Oh, because there's a cow shit place right there.
We're going straight. We're going straight.
I know, because you said that. That's right.